Hey, yoga enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something essential for enhancing your yoga practice: yoga props. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned yogi, these accessories can make a world of difference. First up, let's talk about yoga mats. A good yoga mat provides the perfect amount of cushion and grip, helping you maintain your balance and protect your joints. If you're looking for the best rated mats, check out the links in the video description. Next on the list is yoga blocks. These handy tools can help you achieve those challenging poses by providing support and stability. They're perfect for beginners who might not be as flexible yet, and for advanced practitioners looking to deepen their stretches. Another must-have is the yoga strap. This accessory is incredibly useful for improving flexibility. You can use it to stretch your hamstrings, shoulders, and even your back. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Let's not forget about bolsters. These are great for restorative poses and helping you relax into deeper stretches. They provide support for your spine, making it easier to hold poses for longer periods. And of course, yoga blankets. These versatile props can be folded to provide extra support during seated poses or used to keep you warm during savasana. Now, if you're practicing hot yoga, a yoga towel is essential. It helps absorb sweat and provides extra grip, ensuring you don't slip during those intense sessions. For those who love to meditate, a meditation cushion is a game changer. It helps you sit comfortably for longer periods, maintaining the natural curve of your spine. So there you have it, the essential yoga props you need now. If you're interested in any of these accessories, check the video description for link to best-selling and top-rated products at the best prices. And while you're there, navigate through the various accessories list that appears on the left side of the page that opens up from the Amazon India link provided in the video description. This will assist you to find more great options. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more yoga tips and tricks. Have a great day every day and stay blessed. Until next time, thank you and namaste.